Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what these are some shampoo and conditioner. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand. And when you guys do purchase the product, you do have the option to buy separately or together. And once you guys finish using it, you do have the option to buy refills. But right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So that is what the inside looks like. You can see how it's all well protected and everything. So if you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. Let me test the other one as well. So same thing for this one, it's all well packaged as well. But if you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the design of the packaging is pretty nice. They use a lot less plastic since it's not like a bottle. It's basically a recyclable bag. So once you guys have been using it, you can definitely put it in recycle bin to recycle it. And you see on the bottom right here, they do tell you guys the ingredient that's on here. So they do use Tsubaki and they use rice water. And they mentioned the benefit of using this is supposed to help you guys soften your hair, cleanse your hair, help you guys detangle it, and make your hair silky. But obviously when you guys use this product, you do have to test it out for yourself first to see what actually works before you guys purchase more. But just to show you guys a quick test of what the product looks like, let me actually bring this over to the restroom and test it out to show you guys what both of them looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. So for your first time using the product, you do want to twist this part right here to pop it out. Once you guys pop it out, then start using it. So if you guys do try the shampoo first, this is basically what the texture looks like. So if you guys do rub it, you can see this is what the texture looks like afterward. If you guys do rinse it, it actually has a pretty good scent on here in terms of like the rice water scent and also like the Tsubaki. But now let's try a little bit of conditioner as well. So right here is what the texture looks like for conditioner. If you guys do rub it, this is what the texture looks like for this one. And when you guys do smell it, this one smells pretty interesting, even though it's the same thing. But let's rinse it. So after you guys use this one, it actually feels pretty nice. You guys can definitely feel how soft and silky it feels afterward. But that's basically a quick little test to show you guys what it actually looks like for both of them. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice and it does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw a quick test of the product and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So obviously in order for you guys to see and feel the result, you do have to test out for yourself like I mentioned. When I put it onto my hand, there's only so much I can see until when you guys put it onto your hair, then you guys can actually feel it. But when you guys do use it, it does feel pretty nice, especially because of the fact that how it is plant-based, so it is very eco-friendly. So whether if you guys want to use it for yourself or if you guys want to get it as a gift for someone else, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for both of these products, it definitely costs a little bit more than your normal shampoo or conditioner. But I do have to say that if you guys use the product and you guys can see the benefit of using it, in terms of like cleaning your hair, cleansing it, and all the other benefits that's mentioned on here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.